Hi guys, here's another day here in Bahamas, and I'm so happy and it's so sunny and the water is so warm. I was swimming again today and the children is ready to go on a playground and they still don't have names, guys. Please write your comments, let's give them a names. Oh my gosh, they can't be without names, guys. Anyway, we were waiting, me and Lulu. We need to give them a names. And we're asking for your help to help us to pick a names. Okay, let's take children and go on a playground. Hey guys, they was asleep. Guys, hello. Yeah? Hi. For right now, guys, we're calling them one white and a brown one. Pink bows. Cause they don't have names still. We guys are waiting for you to help us to pick names for them. So let's go on the playground. Come on. It's gonna be so much fun. So much fun. Sit guys, sit down and I'm gonna help you to ride. Whee, whee, whee. Whoa, it's so much fun, Barbie. Oh yes. Yes, I know. Whee. We wanna do it all day long. Sure you do. I know it's so much fun. Whee! Oh, these little ones, they love it. It's good that we bought those things for them. Okay guys, come on. You can do the slide now. Okay. Let's go. Okay, there is an elevator and now just go down, come on. Whoa, one more time so everybody can see it. Come on. And you, and now you can do it together. Wow, it's so much fun. Yeah, I know. Let's do it again. And you. And again. And again. And now. Oh, let's do it together. Okay, come here guys. Come here. And by the way, Lulu is resting right now and I'm taking children to play. So, which slide do you like the most? We like them both, Barbie. Thank you so much. You are so welcome. We are so happy that you guys are now here and that everything is fine. And you guys are both beautiful and fun and everything. We love you. Me and your mama Lulu. Barbie? Yes. Yes. I have a question. What question? I wanna know when are you guys gonna give us our names. We're waiting for guys to write some comments and pick names for you. And for me too. And for you too, yes. So, who will pick the best names for you? That's the name we will give you. We're just waiting for you guys to write to us and pick names, please. Because children are nameless right now. And they want their beautiful names. Thanks, guys. We're waiting. Anyway, that was really exciting day today. I'm gonna continue to make videos about my cruise, mine and Lulu and our children on Bahamas. 7 more days. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.